often say the market doesn't work by the rules, but today was the rare day when everything went according to the plan. Level checked, pulse there is, confirmation just perfect. And today you will see a session that looks like it's drawn in books and courses, but on a real schedule, in a real session with real money. Now we'll show you the account settings that you use to work with this strategy. You can just repeat after me, because I spent time on selection of these parameters. I will use the chart tab. Candle time frame will be 30 seconds. It will be fast candles, thanks to which you can see all the price changes. In the list of indicators, I will choose 2 moving average. The first moving average period will be 5. Type will be EMA. In the style settings, set the color of the line to turquoise and increase the thickness. The second moving average period will be 12, also EMA. The color of this line will be pink, also increase the thickness. And with this, the settings are complete. Now I will start working. I will open the trades and tell you in detail how this strategy works. So watch the video to the end to know all the details. Many things on the chart only become apparent over time, and to shorten this path, I share my daily observations on Telegram. There is only real analytics, which I use myself in trading. Do you want access? Go to the link in the description, follow and write me. Found an interesting situation in which you can't open a trade, so let's do it. The trading time will be 2 minutes. And I'll start with $150, and my forecast the price will go down. So I'll press the red button to open a trade. Are you ready? So let's reanalyze the situation in more detail. Look, at the market for a long time was an upward trend, the price increased and the moving average lines were directed upwards. The lines increased and did not intersect with each other. The price began to fall and the lines crossed each other. And this is the main trigger in this strategy. It indicates a change of trend and confirms it. Now, I'm sure that the market is really on a downward trend, so you can make profit in here. This strategy is really the simplest and the most suitable situations are very common in here. You just need to see them and open a trade. If you follow the rules I'll tell you about a bit later, then you will open trades in safe situations. For now, let's see how the price chart will move, and I really wonder what the result of the trade will be. Super! Trade is profitable. So now my capital increased to $4,838. Just great start of the session. I hope that the other trades will be just as profitable. And I'm already looking for the following situation. Oh, this is an interesting situation. Let's open a trade and solve the most common mistake. I will limit the amount of the trade into $50 unless we open a trade on price reduction. And so look, the moving average indicator lines crossed each other. Now the indicator lines are directed downwards, which means a decrease in price. But look at the price chart itself. The price quite often changes its direction and the graph moves like a zigzag. And in this situation, I do not recommend opening trades. Such a currency pair does not have a clear trend. When working with the strategy, it's important not only to get confirmation of the situation from the moving average, but also to choose the correct currency pair. Let's go in order. In the first, moving average lines must intersect with each other. If they just approached or touched each other, then the situation is not suitable for work. Second, choose currency pairs where the trend does not change too often. These are currency pairs with medium market volatility. They are more stable and predictable. In such currency pairs, there are no sharp price jumps and it moves wave-alike. If you see that the currency pairs past crossing of the indicator lines were false, then the currency pair may still be unstable and it's better not to risk and do not open a trade. You can just watch the price movement. As you see, the trade is losing, the price started to rise, and that's what I told you. We continue to work. There are still a couple of trades ahead and I think I can compensate for the losses and even make some money. This time the value of the trade will increase to 200. My forecast, the price will go down, so we'll open a trade by pressing the red button. As you can see, the situation has already formed. On the price chart, I see that the uptrend has ended and the price has started to fall. Moving average indicator lines reacted to this, began to fall and crossed each other. The situation has formed and I only had to open a trade. For now, I want to give you a piece of advice. Never hurry to open trades. If you see that the situation is formed, Really, better wait and check carefully. Spend a little more time and check whether the indicators gave the trigger or not. It would not be a mistake to look at past situations in this currency pair as well. It's really okay if you open the trade a bit later than the trigger appears. This is acceptable. Many beginner traders start to open lots of emotional trades, even without dealing in the whole situation. And expectedly, part of the trades come out losing. Engaging in emotional trading is a dangerous step, guys. If you want to be professional, you must learn to control your emotions. Did you notice how much the price went down? It was a great downward trend that increased my capital to $4,972. I was able to make up for loss. Let's try to increase the capital a bit more. I see that the situation has already formed, all the conditions have been met, so I immediately open a trade to increase the price. I think you will really like this strategy. I have shown you in detail how to work with it, and then it's up to you. Try it out, study it, and only then start to open trades using every account. For now, let's wait until the trade is finished. And strike! The trade is profitable. As you can see on the account now, the amount of $5,782. It's just excellent results. Here we conclude another trading session calmly, without panic, and with a positive result. And I showed you again that you do not need to make hundreds of trades to get into plus. A few precise solutions are absolutely enough, guys. If you're trading in cows, try to rethink your approach. Maybe you chose the wrong path. Trading is not a lottery, it's a system. And if you build your system, it will work for you, for sure. I advise you to take as a rule, after each of my videos, make a small analysis, like what signals did I use, and it is in such details that there is a real learning. So write in the comments what you have managed to apply for now already.